What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com, the place you go when you want action-packed content related to growing your app downloads and helping you grow your sales downloads through digital marketing. In this video, I want to share a simple video marketing trick that you can use to increase your leads and increase the conversions, the people who go to your website and buy your service or buy your product. You ready for it? It's sharing your best content on YouTube. I get it. Building a YouTube platform is super hard. It took me years just to surpass the 10,000 subscriber mark. But once I got there, even before I got there, the majority of our clients were coming in from YouTube. And why I love YouTube so much too is because they see you see me. And these customers are more likely to work with you because they see your personality. They feel like they know you already when they get on the phone with you, and it becomes an easier sell for you, the business owner. Now, if you don't have a YouTube subscriber list, don't worry. This video is for you and how you can still leverage YouTube and at the same time convert more of your users. Here we go. Here is the power of YouTube. I rank for a lot of great terms that are perfect for my niche. So I'm searching for app marketing right here. And I'm number one. Take that, Neil Patel, for this. How to promote an app. So obviously I have the right keywords in the title right here. And this was one of the keywords, or this is one of the videos that I shot, 2 years ago that was ranking really well until I shot another one just recently to help push this content more onto this page. So again, really cool. Have a great thumbnail as well. So that's a really important tip. So definitely have the keywords that you're targeting and have a compelling thumbnail for your video. Next, I just want to show you this. App Store optimization, which is SEO for the App Store, obviously. Look at how many videos we have in this first page. We have this one. So that's 2. That's 3, 4. And then I did one with my friends. This is me too. 5, 6. All this right here. It's become a great channel for us because we're starting to create more and more content. Now, you may not see this when you first launch. I didn't see this, but as you create more and more videos and you start creating content around a similar theme, you're going to start ranking really well for your keywords on YouTube. And guess what? YouTube's the number 2 search engine in the world. So if you don't have a YouTube presence yet, here's what you're going to do. You're going to create a video revealing your best marketing tips for your target audience. You're going to put the right title. You're going to put the right keywords in YouTube. You're going to create a beautiful thumbnail. And then you're going to upload into YouTube, obviously. But here's the last bit of it. You're going to put it on your homepage. And here's what we've done on our homepage. So as you scroll, this is kind of ugly. I got to redo this, and we are in the middle of redoing this. But if you scroll all the way, and this could probably be higher for us, but if you scroll all the way, it's our greatest growth hacks, right? And here we have the popular videos that we know are going to rank well on YouTube because we have the visibility, and these are the ones that are getting most views. But if you're just starting out, just create content around giving away your best tips. So these are our best tips, and put it on your homepage so that your customers who are coming to your homepage, maybe coming to your blog, get to see these videos. And guess what that's going to do? It's going to drive up the views on your YouTube video. So that's a win-win-win. It's on your homepage, so people get to interact and see you before they even reach out to you. And it's another win because the view count for that particular video is going to go up, helping you rank better for those particular videos. Simple way to get started. Now, another way, when I first started creating videos, I edited it all by myself, and I used a software called ScreenFlow. My affiliate link is down in the description below, or you can go to appmasters.com/ScreenFlow. It is a Mac software, but I love it. It's what I'm using right now to record this particular video. And I was just recording and editing all by myself. I kept it super simple, but it's a great piece of software if you're just getting started and you want to learn how to edit and do all the editing yourself. Now, as you up your video game and you want to hire a professional video editor, I recommend go checking out Video Husky. It's a service that we actually personally use and love. They've got a team of video editors all in the Philippines that you can work with to then send them the content and then have a little storyboard, and they're going to edit it just for you. They've done an amazing job. Our most recent videos have all been edited by Video Husky. A lot better than what I can do. And it's super affordable price, and you can do pretty much unlimited videos. So as much as you can record, you can send it off to Video Husky and have them actually edit those videos. Again, my affiliate link is in the YouTube description below, or you can check out appmasters.com/Video Husky. Guys, I love video marketing. It's so awesome. It's helped grow our business. It's helped convert more of our potential leads into customers. And it's built a platform for us that I couldn't have possibly imagined it would. And it's the number one source for our leads now. It used to be the podcast when I first started this whole journey, and now it is completely because of YouTube. And you can create blog posts with YouTube videos. Those rank better in SEO. So guess what? You create a video like this, you turn it into a blog post, and then you put the blog post with this video, and that's going to help you even rank better on Google. So win, 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 win all around. If you've been considering doing video marketing for your business, let this be the video that propels you into actually doing it. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you found it useful. Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I tell you, video marketing is awesome. It's completely changed our business, and I hope you get started as well. All right, until next time, I'll see you on the next video.